Good day everyone, my name is Julien Reyes Tabubo. So my topic for today is all about angle of depressions. So what is angle of depressions? The angle of depressions is defined as an angle constructed by a horizontal line and the line joining the objects and observer eye. This angle is dependent on two factors, height and distance. Let us learn about its definitions, formula, and real-life problems based on it. So, angle of depressions formula. So, with angles of elevations, if two of the sides of the right triangles are known, then the formula of the angle of depressions is given as below. Tan tan theta is equal to opposite sides over adjacent sides, or theta is equal to tan negative 1 opposite side over adjacent side. So let's have an example here. So example number 1. The angle of the depressions of a vehicle from the top of a tower on the ground is 60. If the vehicle is away from the building at a distance of 100 meters, so find the height of the tower. So in the figure, in the figure attached, the R is a vehicle, and then the PQ is the height of the tower. And then the RQ is the distance between the tower and the vehicle. So P and S is the line of the site. So we have a given. So the angle of depressions is less than SPR is equal to 60 degree. So the angle of elevations is less than QRP is equal to angle of depressions less than is SPR is equal to 60 degree. So now, in right triangle PQR, the QR is 100 meter. And then the R is equal to 60 degree. And then the P and Q is equal to height And then let R is equal to theta is let R is equal to theta, value of theta is 60 degree. So we know that we have here a formula which is tan theta is equal to opposite side over adjacent side. So the value of theta we have 60. So the value of opposite sides, which is PQ over RQ. So height over 100. So uh, uh, so so square root of 3 is equal to height over 100, or h height is equal to square root of 3 times 10. So we need to times the height and the 100. So equal 173.20 meters. So hence the height of the tower is 173.20 meters. So nahanap na natin kung ilang height ang we have the tower. So the answer of our solutions is 173.20 meters. So example number 2. The angle of depressions of a stone from the top of the tower on the ground is 45. So if the stone is away from the building at a distance of 120 meters, so find the height of the tower. So kanina hinanap natin yung tower. So dito naman tower naman, but different height. So okay. So in this figure, we attach the R is a stone, and then the PQ is the height of the tower. RQ is the distance between the tower and the stone. So P and S is the line of the site. And then given the angle of depressions, we have is PR is equal to 45 degrees. So as we know, angle of elevations less than Q, RP is equal to angle of depressions. So SPR is equal to 45 degrees. Now, in right angle triangle PQR, we know that QR is equal to 120 meters. So the R, so we have 45 degree. So PQ is equal to the height. So let R is equal to theta is equal to 45. So we know that the formula of the angle of depressions is we have tan theta is equal to opposite side over all over adjacent sides. So hence the 45 degree is equal to PQ over RQ, or equal to height over 120. So on cross multiplying, we get the height 120 times tan 45 degrees. So since tan 45 is equal to 1, so therefore the height is equal to 120 meter. So nakuha na natin kung ilang height ang tower have. So the answer is 120 meters. So let's try another example. So if the person standing on the top of the building of height we have 50 feet is looking at her daughter standing at a distance of 30 feet away from the building. So what is the angle of depression's form? Okay. And it is given that the height of the building is 50 feet. So, and the distance between the building and the girl is, we have 30 feet. So now, in the given figure, the angle of depressions is denoted by x squared as the angle of depressions, and angle x are the same by using alternate anterior angles theorem. So, by using this formula, for finding the angle of depressions, we get tan x is equal to 50 over 30. So tan x is equal to 5 over 3. And then next is tan is equal to tan negative 1 over 5 over 3. So the answer is the angle of depressions is we have 1 open parenthesis 5 over 3. So that is the that will be the angle of depressions form. So tan 1 open parenthesis 5 over all over by 3. Okay. Keep it positive. So that's all. Yun lang yung mga simple steps in getting the angle of depressions. So thank you for watching, everyone.